Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your comment on someone's Instagram post or reel. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type right here Instagram basically, and I'm gonna double check if my Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to delete your comment on someone else's Instagram post or reels, just find the post or reel that has a comment that you wish to delete, tap the comment icon, and then for Android users, a long tap on the comment that you want to get rid of. For iOS users, swipe that comment to the left and then tap the delete button on the pop-up menu. So I'm gonna just demonstrate how it's done. Go back to your screen, go ahead to your Instagram, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and react to that. Let's say for example, to that post, right? I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click on the comments. Basically I'm gonna just say right here, this is like my comment, right? And I'm gonna forward it. If you're an Android user, just go ahead and long hold right here, so you can see a setting so you can delete the comment. Or for iPhone users, you could just swipe left and then you're gonna see multiple options. Just go ahead and right here and click delete, and as you can see, you deleted that comment. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.